Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me for Smash Our Stash for May. This is a collaboration put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. It is my favorite. I always say that, but it is. I have been under the weather. I apologize for my voice. So I just have 4 things I want to show you this month. I still had a great time because I was trying different things. The category this month is essentially small round things, right? You're going to see bling and enamel dots and jewels and all that kind of stuff. So I started going through my stash and thinking, okay, where are my little things that I don't work with? And buttons. I had buttons on my brain. And then I had these round felt things that I bought Kansas City, so several years back, and little paws. So I was just looking at, I don't know, sort of round things and playing. The first thing I did was I took a dog that was already die cut and ready to go, and I trimmed one of these to the body. It's a little weird because of how this dog's sitting, but I just think it's fun. And to make it process in the brain a little better what it is, I trimmed it so you could see the edges of the dog, and then he's furry. So I thought that was kind of a fun way to use them. I've die cut them before. I probably shouldn't have bought them. I mean, they're fun, but I've put them on journal pages, but I liked it as the body of a dog. I did try and trim it a little bit here, so it kind of went behind his head, but it made it fall apart a little, so I'm not going to do that on another one, but I probably will do another one. Then I had little tiny buttons because, you know, they're sort of round, and I thought, okay, let's make something. So I inked the edges of this, and it'll be a journal card. I left the string showing. If you're not junky, you could put a sticker over that or a piece of washi tape and just, you know, like you wanted washi tape across the top, and it would be fine. But a cute little one with that heart, and I thought it would be more fun to sew it on than to glue it on. So I did use one button. People will impress you with how many they used. I didn't use that many. All you need is love and a dog. Again, making a journal card, and I glued some of those paws on here. So we have 2 journal cards for upcoming pet journals, a cute little dog, and then look at this one. I think Tony might have sent me these charms. I'm not sure who sent them to me. They're little tiny jewel charms, and I thought, how cute would that be? We have charms, and we could make the dog tag on the dog. So I took a piece of embroidery floss and I taped it and glued it down. I was going to put a knot, but I thought, I'd probably want it really smooth, right? So I could glue it on a journaling card or a pocket or something. And this one, it would work. And then the charm, I put a tiny bit of art glitter glue on the back of it just to hold it down, because it was not flopping around in a cute, fun way, but like trying to twist over. If it tries to get away from me again, I might put a tiny piece of a glue dot down there, but art glitter glue's holding it pretty well. He has a collar and a cute little tag, so we know somebody loves him. So those are my 4 items right there. Getting ready for pet journals. I will rest up and be back with another video again this weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to go down below in the description box and follow the link to watch the other collaborators in this, because Smash Our Stash is a really fun, inspiring video. And if ever we have a theme, I think I say this, but just to be sure, if ever we have a theme and you don't have sequins or enamel dots or tons of buttons, don't go get any. We're not saying you should have them. We're trying to cut down on them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.